In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the PayPal error that says we're having trouble with this transaction. This error usually happens because PayPal cannot verify your payment method or there's a security issue. Don't worry, you can fix it quickly. First, make sure your PayPal account is verified. If your account is not verified, PayPal will block some transactions. Next, check your payment method. Go to Pay and Get Paid, then open Payment Methods and confirm your card or bank is valid and active. If the card is expired or has a low limit, PayPal will not allow the payment. Now, remove and re-add your card. This refreshes the connection between PayPal and your bank. To do this, go to Pay and Get Paid, then Payment Methods, select your card, and click Remove. Then click Add a Card again and enter the details. Also, check your billing address. Make sure the address in PayPal matches the one your bank has on file. Even one small mismatch can cause this error. Next, try a different payment method. If you were using a debit card, switch to a credit card or use your bank account. If the problem still happens, check your PayPal account status. Sometimes PayPal blocks transactions if they detect suspicious activity. Go to your notifications and check if PayPal is asking you to verify your identity. Finally, if nothing works, contact PayPal support. Explain the error and they will help you unlock your account. So in summary, verify your account, confirm your payment method, update your address, and try a different card. That's how you fix the PayPal "we're having trouble with this transaction" error. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.